Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just tired? Here are 6 scriptures that will lift your spirit instantly. Let these promises wash over you, because God's word still speaks peace today. 1. Isaiah 60, verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. You're not behind. You're not forgotten. God's timing is perfect, and when it's your moment, nothing can stop it. 2. John 13, verse 7. Jesus replied, "You do not realize now what I am doing, but later you will understand." Confused by what you're going through? You're not alone. Even in the unknown, God is working. Trust Him. Understanding will come. 3. Psalm 3, verse 3. But you, O Lord, are a shield around me, my glory, and the lifter of my head. God isn't just watching, He's protecting you. And when life weighs you down, He's right there lifting your head and holding your heart. 4. 2 Kings 20, verse 5. I have heard your prayer and seen your tears. I will heal you. God sees everything, every tear, every prayer. You are not invisible. Healing is coming. Hold on. 5. Matthew 28, verse 20. And surely I am with you always, to the very end of the age. Lonely? Afraid? Jesus is closer than your next breath. He's with you, right now, right here, forever. 6. Romans 8, verse 18. I consider that our present sufferings are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. This pain won't last forever. Something so much greater is coming. Keep going. You're closer than you think. Which verse spoke to your heart the most? Drop it in the comments. And if this blessed you, share it with someone who needs a lift today, because hope grows when we pass it on. Follow for more encouragement from God's Word.